Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well. Today we'll try to understand why the stellar is turning more bullish than the Bitcoin. For that, we'll watch the movements of the stellar and the Bitcoin as well on the daily and on the hourly chart as well. And in this video, we'll also watch the different chart patterns that are formed by the stellar and the Bitcoin. And these chart patterns are the basic reasons for the stellar to turn more bullish than the Bitcoin. And we'll also watch this similar kind of up channel movement by the stellar and the Bitcoin on the daily chart. And after that, we'll try to understand whether the XLM will turn more bullish in the short term or it will be dropped down. So let's start the video. First of all, I want to show you this chart, and here we can see that after the drop of March 2020, the stellar turned bullish and recovered more than 196%. And on this is the daily chart, and at the same time you can see the BTC recovered after the 13th of March, more than 161%. So the stellar turned more bullish than the Bitcoin from 13th of March to May 2020. And if we'll move to the hourly chart, then we can see that since yesterday, the stellar has turned more bullish than the Bitcoin, as the stellar has recovered on hourly chart more than almost 13%, and on the other side, if we watch the Bitcoin, that it has recovered around 9% so far on the hourly chart. The basic reason, if we'll try to find the basic reason why the stellar is always turning more bullish on more than the Bitcoin, even on the hourly chart and on the daily chart as well, then the basic reason is the pattern that the stellar has formed on the monthly chart and the pattern that the Bitcoin has formed on a very big long-term monthly chart. As in my previous video, I've discussed with you that the stellar first formed back in 2017. The stellar formed a big bullish bad pattern on the weekly chart, and after that, from the potential reversal zone of this big bullish bad pattern on this weekly chart, it took a very powerful bullish divergence and started more than 4,000% bullish rally. That was a very huge and powerful, strong bullish rally. And now the stellar has formed more bigger chart pattern than the previous one, as this bad pattern is formed on the monthly chart, and the previous bad pattern that was formed back in 2017 was formed on the weekly chart. Therefore, this time we can expect a more powerful bullish divergence. But realistically, if we watch the movement of the price action, that is possible as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad pattern from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, that is from 23 cents up to 41 cents. That will be up to 600% bullish move. But this is a very big bullish bad pattern, therefore we can expect more powerful bullish divergence than the previous rally. And if we watch the Bitcoin chart, then we can see that the Bitcoin has also formed a very big bullish garlet pattern on this monthly chart. But so far, I'm just playing this chart, then we can see that this pattern is executed and the price action of Bitcoin has turned bullish. From this potential reversal zone, it is moved up, and as per Fibonacci sequence, it was supposed to enter from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci. That is the projection of A to D lag, and so far it has produced more than 65% bullish rally. But if I'll play this chart, then you can see that even turning more than 196% bullish move, it is still moving in the potential reversal zone, and we have more capacity. The price action has more capacity to move up to enter in this sell zone or this Fibonacci projection area. Therefore, the price line of the stellar is still moving in the potential reversal zone. Therefore, we can expect that the stellar has more chances to turn more bullish than the Bitcoin, and this is the basic reason behind that. That whenever any bullish move is started, you can see that the stellar is moving up more than the Bitcoin. And now we can see that on the daily chart, that stellar and the Bitcoin both have formed almost same kind of up channel. And if we watch the movement of the stellar, then after hitting at the resistance of this up channel, it is hitting at the support. At this time, it is at the support, and This is the third candlestick that we are having at the support, and this is quite weak candle. And on the other side, the Bitcoin has also formed an up channel like the Stellar has formed. And now so far we can see that the Bitcoin has not hit at the support of this channel. It means that the price action of Bitcoin has more capacity to move down. It has more space to move down to hit up to the channel. So we can expect that the Bitcoin will hit at the support of this channel. In the meanwhile, the Stellar can move sideways, or it can move, or it can turn bullish. But there are more chances that it will move sideways. In the meanwhile, it will hit at this support, and after that, if the price action of Bitcoin will not break down the support of this channel, it will move up. Then the Stellar can also move up with Bitcoin. Now let's watch the Stellar, whether the Stellar will move down or move more up. If we watch on this weekly long-term chart, then we can see that the Stellar has formed a falling wedge pattern, as we have already discussed in my previous video as well. And we can see that we have the Bollinger Bands, the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands, that is a very strong resistance and hurdle for the price line, is above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, there will be easy for the price line to cross up or break out this resistance of the channel. And if we watch the interest of the traders within this channel, I have placed a volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel, then we can see that we have the traders interest up to 3.7 cents, and if we move up, then we have the traders interest up to almost 10.5 cents. Therefore, it means that the traders are not interested or less interested to trade above 10.5 cents and below 3.7 cents. And if we watch here on the simple moving averages chart, then we have at this time the price action is hitting at the 25 simple moving average. This is the same level where we have this support of the channel, and if the price action will break down this support of the 25 simple moving average, and on definitely it will break down the channel support as well, then we have the previous then we have another support of 100 and 200 simple moving averages at almost 5.7 cents. And if we watch this 50 simple moving average, then we can see that this 50 simple moving average is moving up aggressively to form a golden cross with 100 and 200 simple moving averages. And as we have already discussed in my previous videos, that the golden cross between the 50 and the 200 simple moving averages considered as a powerful bullish buying signal among the traders community. But if the 50 simple moving average will be moved down from here, then there will be strong chances for the price line to cross down or break down these supports of 100 and 200 simple moving averages. And in case the price line will break down these supports, then the price action may retest the previous support of that is the support of this falling wedge. And if we watch the different support and resistance levels for the XLM, then we have the previous support at 3.6 cents. That is same as the level where we have the support of this falling wedge, and this is the same level where we have the traders interest up to this level, and below this level we have a very weak interest of the traders. And if we want this Bollinger Bands, then it is in very good position that it is above this support of the falling wedge. Therefore, it can stop the price line to hit up to this support level. And after hitting at the support or this Bollinger Band support, the price action can again turn to make another attempt to break out the resistance level. However, at this time, we can see that the position of the price line is very good. We have very strong support of 100 and 200 simple moving averages, and the 50 simple moving averages moving up to form the golden cross. And if we see this EMA 10 and EMA 21, these are the very important exponential moving averages on the daily chart for the price action of XLM, as we can see that once we receive the golden cross or bullish cross between these two simple moving averages, then the price action turned bullish, and after that the price action has been using these two simple exponential moving averages as support And when after 14 Feb, the price line moved down or crossed down these two exponential moving averages, and we received the bear cross between these moving averages, then we can see that the price line of XLM started a very strong bearish move. And since we have received a golden cross between these exponential moving averages, the price line turned again bullish, and it is using these exponential moving averages, the EMA 10 and EMA 21, as a good support so far. And now at this time, you can see that the price line is between the exponential moving average 21 and EMA 10, and trying to use these exponential moving averages as support. But if this support will be broken down, then it will be the first signal that the price action can break down the support of the channel and the support of 25 simple moving average, and it can first retest the 100 and 200 simple moving averages on the daily chart. And in case of breaking down these moving averages, it can retest the support of that channel. And now, if we see the resistance that are above the price line, these are the long-term resistance levels on the weekly chart. Then we have a strong resistance of 9 cents above the price line, and after that we will have the next resistance level at 14 cents. Once the price action will be able to break out this resistance level of 9 cents, then it will be easy for the price line, and within a very small period of time it can hit the next resistance level of 14 cents. And after breaking out the 14 cents resistance level, the price action can further move up to hit this sell target zone, or the Fibonacci projection area of a very big bullish bad pattern. That is the main reason for the XLM, that the XLM is behaving more bullish than the Bitcoin. So this was the update so far by the XLM and the Bitcoin as well. If I'll have more updates, definitely I'll try to share with you. If you like the video, guys, then do hit the like and do share my videos and do subscribe to the channel and do share your comments with me in the comment section. I will try my best to reach out to your comments and try to reply your comments as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.